Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Jennifer. I hope y'all are doing well. I have a new junk journal share for you today. It's a bird themed journal. It's about, I think, 5.5, almost 5.25 or 3/4 by 8 in a 3-inch spine. It's a hardcover chipboard journal that I wrapped in a vintage fabric. Got yellows and golds and greens, and it's tan color. The spine here, it's a chipboard bird shape layered with cheesecloth, burlap, sari silk, and this eyelash trim. And the sari silk here wraps it closed with a key charm there. And it's a big old tangled mess, so I'll have to fix that. The cover, I've got layered Tim Holtz paper and some other bits of papers, some Edith Holden here with the cardboard with burlap, cheesecloth, this textured ribbon. I really don't know what it's called, but it looks, like a bird's nest, so I went with it. I made the cover really tattied and tattered up like a bird's nest would be, and I left the stitching, the threads from the stitching really long, so it kind of gives that bird's nest look. There's also the journal tab here and then some layered pieces there. Inside I've got another fabric image here of a bird layered with more burlap, cheesecloth, some the raffia material, and some more of that textured ribbon, and 5 hand sewn signatures. A lot of pages, a lot of stuff to get through. I used a lot of Tim Holtz papers and Artie Mae's images here, digitals. And then this is a tag that I collaged and stitched around and inked, and I made a charm dangle here, heat embossed, third image there. Tons of pockets and writing spaces. Edith Holden bird image. The ink stained paper, and I stamped and gessoed it. This is from a field book. Pocket there, and a flip out here. The pocket, ledger paper, journaling card, some dot and grid paper, lines, and I printed these images on tracing paper, so I gave it a cool effect. And then this coffee stain paper that I decoupaged the Tim Holtz bird tissue paper on. In the center, pockets with the vellum, and a 3-tiered pocket here. In the back, it's more vellum with a pocket there with a lined journaling card. There's another dangle I made. And a little envelope with some goodies inside. Some collage work there. The vellum I sewed onto the back of the page. A little timestamp card. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this folder. I just filled it with some tags and cards. It's a little journaling, little notebook, and little pockets here, and then 2 on the inside. Fold right back up with it's a unique charm there. Another tag that I made with the embossed dangle. This little doily here, it's glued to the back, make a little pocket. Tuck spot. And then big belly band with a Edith Holden page. Cards and tags. Another tuck spot. And I left all the stitching long, so you could trim it down if you'd like, but I like the effects of like a bird's nest that it left. It went well with the theme. These are little cards, state birds and flower cards. In the pocket. Envelope with another dangle charm. It has a piece of coffee stain paper inside. This tall pocket with a line card. A vintage math card. And then this pocket, it's like a file folder, an expandable file folder. So you can really fill it up. And I put some pieces in there. It's Holden page again. And there's plenty of space to add more. Let's get that in there. And it just closes with a magnet. I don't know if you can hear it. And on the back, I put a pocket, a vellum pocket. Another card or tag. Edith Holden book page. And an envelope with a charm. And a piece of coffee stain paper. Another bird, state bird card. And then the back again with a piece of the fabric and burlap and the raffia and cheesecloth. It's a nice big chunky monkey journal. It is listed in the Etsy shop. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for updates and reels of new projects coming out. I definitely appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a good day. See you later. Bye.